How to draw a Squid Game player. Hey everyone, so for the first step of our drawing today, we're going to begin by drawing the bottom portion of the face. We're going to start right here on the left hand side of the page, and we're going to draw this down to a point. Awesome. We're going to connect this all the way over to the right hand side. Perfect. Now right underneath what we just made, we're going to add in a V-like shape that is connected to it. Awesome, nice start. Next, if you notice in the show, all of the players have a white shirt underneath of their green jacket. So we're going to draw a line going across the inside of the V-like shape. This will help make the shirt. Great. Next up, we're going to move above everything that we previously made. We're going to begin to make the first piece of the hair. We're going to start right here in the center, towards the top of the page. And we're going to make 3 sharp-like edges. All of them will be connected, and the bottom will be flat. Now on each side, between the face and the hair, we have an empty space. We're going to close off this empty space by using a curved line similar to a C-like shape. We're going to start right here at this corner, and we're going to connect it all the way down. Now on this side, we're going to add in the first piece of hair. We're not going to add in the full head of hair just yet. Now let's connect the left-hand side, just how we did on the right-hand side. We will also make a small piece of hair on this side as well. Next, on each side of the head, we're going to begin to draw the ears. The ears will be made by using a small C-like shape. Now earlier on in the video, we started to draw the hair. We're going to finish drawing the hair right now. We're going to go right up here to the left-hand side of the page, and we're going to connect all the way over to the right-hand side. You can make the hair as crazy or different as you would like. All done? If so, let's move on over and let's draw the left-hand side of the hair. Fantastic job! So far this is coming along very well. Now underneath of everything that we just made, we're going to begin to make the bottom with the jacket. So we're going to go right here, staying on the left hand side. We're going to draw a line going down, and then straight across, and then right back up. Now if you look right above what we just made, you'll see a V-like shape. On the outside of this V-like shape, we're going to make a bigger V-like shape. This will help make the collar. Now on the right hand side of that V-like shape, we can either make a white box or we can add in numbers. Personally, I'm just going to add in a white box because it is easy to get the numbers blurred. Great job! Next, on each side we're going to draw the arms. We're going to draw a curved line which will connect up to the top of the V-like shape. Now we have the top of the arms made, we just have to make the lower part. So let's go right underneath and let's make a smaller line. At the end of each arm, we have an opening. We're going to close off each opening by using a line. This will help make the sleeve. Underneath each one of those lines, we're going to draw the hands. We're going to make it appear as if our player is making a fist. Keep in mind that for however many fingers you just made on this fist, has to be the exact same amount on the left hand side if you want it to be symmetrical. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now on each arm, we're going to begin to make a long, curvy L-like shape. This will help make the stripe on each arm. That looks great. Now underneath of the body, we're going to begin to draw the legs. We're going to make the first leg on the left hand side. This will come down and look similar to an L-like shape. Now we're going to connect the right leg all the way to the body. At the bottom of each leg, we're going to begin to draw the feet. Each foot will look similar to an oval-like shape. Now we're all done drawing the body. Next, we're going to go into the face. The first part of drawing the face will be to make the nose. In order to draw the nose, we're going to make a very small C-like shape. Or if you want to be a little bit different, you can use a small triangle-like shape. Underneath of the nose, we're going to draw the mouth. I'm going to make the mouth by using a simple straight line, but if you want to make an open mouth or a sad face or anything similar to that, then that is okay as well. Last but not least, we have to draw the eyes, as well as the eyebrows. We're going to begin by drawing the left eye by using a simple circle. On the inside of the eye, we're going to add in the pupil by making a black circle with a small white dot in the center. We're going to do the exact same thing for the right eye. Nice job. Now let's move a little bit to the right. To finish today's drawing, we're going to draw the eyebrows above each eye. Personally, I'm going to draw the eyebrows to be very thick, but there's a lot of different approaches that you could take to this step. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw a Squid Game player. If you want to see more Squid Game drawing tutorials, then comment what you want to see down below. If this video helped you out today, be sure to give it a big like so that other YouTube artists can see it as well. If you want to see more videos just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. After this, I'm going to show a picture of this drawing colored in. Feel free to pause the picture so that you can color in your drawing. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.